Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. This is the Gelato dipping cabinet showcases. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The entire length of the unit is about like 47 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 27 and 3/4 inches. And the height of the unit is about like 51.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is designed with a slide glass on front, have a flat toppings. You can put some stuff right here. And also we having the front of the product's names and having the serial numbers. And the compressors is mounted at that bottoms. And we can get a fast access to remove that cover. And we can turn around to see the backs of the units. Now we can see this is the back of the units, and they have a sliding the tops is covered, and we do have the buttons right here. This switcher for the LED lights on top of this lights, and also we're looking the bottoms. We can see they do have a controllers. It's mounted right here, and also have a standard of 110 plugs the manufacturer offered, and also they have a fast service covers too. And also the important things for this units, they didn't come with the wheels. So this one is complete flat at the bottoms. We can take a look closer to see the inner side. For the inner side, we can see they have two big overnight caps. This is the manufacturer offered. So when we look in the inner side of the units, we can find on side of the unit they have a model numbers, serial numbers, and also have a stickers, car sheets, and diagram information from the manufacturer they offered. And for the inner side dimensions, it is about like 41.25 inches and the 22 inches wide. Also, the entire depth about like 28 inches. So we can fill in the units coming with the 8 basket pans, the holders inner side, and we can just take a little bit up over it. We see they do having the grills at the bottoms. You can put a basket mount here and put this one on top of it. For the diameters for these top pin holders, about like 8.5 inches. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.